Halika, Mama.
Alam po.
Ano mo po? Isuot po. Kasi mag-video po ako.
Rocky and Malone don't know it yet, but they've invested in each other.
Parang bibi
Wait
na.
lang, wait lang, wait lang.
Wait, right? Yun na guys. Yan guys, mag-amaze rice ako ng face. Alam mo guys. Wait lang.
This force not only hugs Rocky and Malone firmly to the ground, it hugs our atmosphere to the planet.
Anak,
It keeps Earth
kunti-kunti
orbiting the
lang.
sun.
Mamaya, mabaga naman yun yung face mo.
Tignan.
Malagyan mo yun para hindi magtabi.
Rotating
Naman
around the
pala,
center
pili ka pala.
of our galaxy. And galaxies dancing
Doon
and
ka na.
swirling around each other on the grandest stage. Gravity holds all the pieces of our universe together, connecting everything. From the most distant star to the tiniest penguin. But Rocky and Paloma aren't thinking about their place in the cosmos,
Kakatawa.
just their next meal. Taking all the efforts of their devoted parents to feed their insatiable appetites. It's a thankless and never-ending task.
Brenda, sige. Akit. Nandiyan ka sa baba?
Hello? Saan tunay ko yan? Kuya, bakit na lang kuya?
Totoo. Nabili ko to yung pang maze try sa DIY ni Walter Mart. Excuse me. Binili ko to kapon. Magbili din kayo. Sisend ko to kay daddy tsaka mommy.
Paloma's cries go unanswered as the first loneliest night sets in. The darkest moment in the penguin chick's life. But it's nothing compared to our universe's darkest moments. Because long before there was
Wait lang guys, maglalagay pa ako.
a sun or stars, there was no light at all. The universe was just a dark, dense web of gas.
Wait lang guys
from this planet and everything.
Oop.
Parts of the web will pull together into clumps of matter that grew and grew. Until they got so big, they collapsed in on themselves, bursting into life. As the very first stars.
Teka na.
So guys, ito na. Naging smooth yung face ko. Binili ko to yung headband sa may ano. Dati nagbili din ako ng ganito sa DIY pero niligpit ni Mami.
From nothing, gravity shaped an entire universe of possibility. That still speckles our night sky. But light from distant stars won't keep penguin chicks warm.
Bawal mo na ako.
Parents at sea,
Lagyan ng
Rocky and
lipstick sa
Paloma,
ano.
are losing weight,
Oh,
becoming more
kasi
and
gusto
Baby
more
ka pa eh.
lonely.
konti lang.
Pag wala ka ng mga rashes.
Huwag na lang ako.
The chicks on the refuge from the cold is their fluffy down and each other. Their survival hinges on a precise, delicate dance between one star and one planet. Choreographed by gravity over 4.5 billion years ago. Out of the dust and gas left over from the formation of the sun, there were full bits and pieces of rubber.
Mama, hindi ko kuhain yung may melody na ganon.
Into a planet.
Kukunin mo.
Opo. Pwede mo po ikuha. So guys, i-upload ko na sa YouTube.
We know now,
Makikita mo na ito.
but it
Diba?
holds potential for life.
Hindi may melody na.
Bathed in the glow
Ano?
of our
Ito?
newborn sun.
Opo.
Medicine man to.
Aw. Okay lang yan.
That same
Tingnan ko
sun
pa.
years later is now rising.
Ito. Ano to?
Rocky
Full fever.
Aw.
is time
Gusto ko i-touch.
South Georgia.
Pwede?
Their bellies full of fish.
Ayan. Kita nito.
As the sun warms the beaches,
Or
the
yung
island
may melody na lang na baag.
Pag magkamot, anak. Ano po?
but making
May melody na lang na bag. Wala.
Rocky
Mama.
now have to find their mate among thousands of others.
Pwede pa to, Mama. Kainin ko na, guys. Bye-bye.